Hey guys, Sullivan Sully08 here again, and I have an unboxing for you. Got this package in the mail today. That's covering up my information, but I won't zoom in good enough. So, have this package in here today, so this is an unboxing video. Making sure it comes up here. Oh, I cut right through the package. Alright, so, find out what I got. Oh wow, sweet. Alright, I got a Loffles drawstring bag. Nice. If you haven't seen my video yet, check it out. It's just called Loffles. So here's this. Oh, yeah. I got a Loffles t-shirt. Nice. I like it. I'll wear it. I got a Loffles USB. What it looks like. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. I like how it's packaged. Nice chrome color. Opens up. Loffles. Cool, I like it. Put this back in. Thanks, Loffles, actually. I paid nothing for it, just letting you guys know. You just go to their website. You, earn these things called Loffles. That's what they call them. You earn them, they're called Loffles. You just watch videos, commercials, basically. They're like 30 to 60 seconds long. And you earn Loffles, which are basically points, and you can use them to redeem things like USBs or a T-shirt, and stuff like that. See what else I got. Sweet, I got another USB. I'll just show you that in the package. That's sort of hard to see because the gloss, but I got another USB. Oh wow! And I'll pop one of these babies open for you guys. There we go. Got Loffle sunglasses. Those are really cool. Oh, they're little. Yeah. Well, not little, but they're really cool. Check those waffles on the side here. And I got a second one. This is the same thing. Alright. That's proof Loffles works. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope, nothing else. Alright, well, that's just proof Loffles works. If you haven't yet already, check out my iTunes and Carepackage giveaway gift card. Well, my iTunes gift card giveaway with the Bring Patches. Be sure to check out Michael Mackick, Stud Muffin Deluxe Bros, 270 LT, and once again, thanks Loffles. You guys really been good to me. So I'll have some more unboxing videos soon, I hope. And thanks again, guys.